Oh! Damn you fast, buddy. Ah. Come here, Mr. Hanson. Oh! Try it again. Hey, Spot. Come here. Try it again. Ready? Whoa! He'll be right back. So let's see. How are we feeling? Are we going to be good? Are we going to behave? Alright. Good sign. A good old... So I've been playing and playing and playing today. And sometimes he takes up his old toys. Sometimes he admits to the fact that he has like 200 toys, secret toys under his bed that I don't know about. And somehow one appears. They know your secret. Hey, sometimes he steals his toys. Oh. That was close, buddy. That was close. Oh, he's got nails. Boom. Nice. Oh, shit! Oh, you scared the fuck out of me, buddy. Oh, you can't do that. He jumped over my whole bag. A good boy, heads up, a good boy. Yeah, he wagged his tail. Swaggers has found something under the ground. Let me help. I help you. Yeah, I got you. Ow! Something that he has that has his total attention, and he can't stop thinking about it. He marches and he goes back. It's under that thing, and he marches and he goes back. I'm trying to distract him a little bit. Whoa! And it always works, because he cannot resist a toy. And there he goes again. Okay, he's like, bah! Fuck it. Still trying to figure out what's under there. Or he knows what it is and he wants to get it. He's been waiting here for like 20 minutes. Wish you could tell me, buddy. I wish I could help you. You know, I hope he's not frustrated by it, but he seems more entertained. Maybe it's the Trump sign. You know, maybe he's just expressing a political inclination. I don't know. But Swaggers is probably a bug, though. Or something else. Who knows what's under there? It's tempting to pull it up, but I don't want to mention names where somebody ate the floor. So, you know, we have to put this here. And to take it up, oof, I don't know. I think not. I just hope he doesn't, you know, stay here being frustrated for a long time, because then I will take it up. Oh, you found something else? Good, okay. What's that? Tell me something. First, are you going to be good? Okay, that's good. No, don't. We said we're going to be good. You're still looking for that bug, huh? Yeah, there's something here that's very interesting. Damn, look at this tail. There's something under there. I'm afraid to know what he finds. He loves his little finds. What is it, Swaggers? I wish I knew what you felt. I wish I could sense what he senses just for a day, you know. To see the world the way you do. What Swaggers is gonna do. You just never know. You just never know. He's a walking unknown. You're just a giant variable. You just don't know what Swaggers. Part of his lovability. Yeah, you're the most lovable baby. You are, I'll give you that. You're the most lovable Serval. You're the most lovable person, shit. I mean, who's more lovable than... Look at this face. Who's more... Look at that tail. Who can be more lovable? You have a redeeming attribute. Every day in the morning, Swaggers gives me a lot of kisses. And it's hard to explain. He sort of pets me with his head. He rubs his head into me and he pets me. It's very nice. It's annoying as fuck also because I'm trying to sleep. But it's very nice. The problem is, when Swagger goes back to sleep, he's got this new thing that's driving me insane, and I haven't slept in so long because he talks in his sleep. You do. And you do. You do. Hey, don't be embarrassed. It's true. It's a fact. It's a fact. It's a fact. He sees a bug or something. What is there, Swaggers? What do you see? What is it? Talk. Talk. Show. What do you see, buddy? Now, there was a disgustingly large spider here that I asked him to help me with. Oh, there's ants. There's some baby ants. Is that what's bothering you? Yeah, we do have some little ants because I have some bananas over there. Yeah, the bananas bringing these disgusting things. I know. It's hard in the summertime here. Good. I told you good. That's not good. So you found an ant. Or is it that disgusting wolf spider? Of course, man, that spider could eat a wolf. What is it, man? What do you see, Swaggers? What do you see? You can do that. Here's your toy. You're a snake. Oh, you plopping? Oops. Oops. You're gonna be good. Okay, good. Sometimes when I do this, you're not so good. Sometimes you try to nibble on your dad a little. Yeah, especially when you're facing that way. I know you. I know how your mind works. You have some string. Please focus on the string, not me. Not me, because I just want to pet you. I want to pet you. That's not what I'm looking for. I ain't doing this a lot lately, See, this is what I want. I want to pet you. Nice, nice. Not get eaten alive. Just pet my Swaggers. Yeah, don't be a cannibal. We're cut of the same cloth. Yeah, you're a good boy. There's my baby. Now, at any moment, Swaggers could do anything. You might bite me. You might jump and scare the hell out of you. Nobody's cuter than you. Boop, boop. Nobody's cuter than you. And nobody's cuter than you. I said, no one is cuter than you. Boop, 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 boop. Well, let's see, buddy. What is it? Or he's just staring at the floor, but I think he found something on the ground. With that nose and nose ears and God knows what else. Excuse me. Seriously, I don't think that's the way. What is that? A bug? Alright, whatever you think. I knew you'd be here. 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 You can't reach all the way that high. Oh, you're like a time bomb. You're like a time. You want to bite me so bad. You want to bite me so bad. Thank you. You're a good boy. He's a good boy. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. He knows this. He knows this. I mean, look at Swaggers. What's not to love? What's not to love? That's a nail. You need your nails trimmed, buddy. You have claws like Kruger, but it's like feline Wolverine. What's up with that? Such a good boy. Yeah. You're such a sucker for flattery. You're such a sucker for flattery, Swaggers. This is what you do with cobras. You put your hand over their head and they can't reach. Cobras can't strike upward. Ow! No, let go. Let go. Let go. Okay, this is the thing with you. Move your foot. Move your foot up. Thank you. He doesn't realize it. No cat does. Oh. I mean, he's trying not to kill me to death, you know. He's gentle. He tries not to bite, but he opens and closes his mouth and tries to stop. It's hard for him. Because everything on you is sharp. Everything on you... You sneak. Sees my hand. Ah! You win. Alright. One for you, but boop for me, sucker. I think the knee is a cheap shot. Let's see. You're such a good boy. I spoke too soon, huh? I feel like you're looking to do something terrible to me. See, I was just gonna pet your head like that. Ha ha! But you're in the play mode, huh? You're in play mode here. What else is new with you? Ha 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 ha! He knows what I'm doing. He knows I'm trying to distract him. So I just knows pretty much everything. Could be a prophet. Oh! I think I can still reach you if I go over the top like to a cobra. Alright, you want to play the game over there? Alright, buddy. It's my blood against your nose booping. Boop! Boop! Oh! Boop! Your turn. Oh! My turn. Boop! Oh! You win, fucker. Oh, he got me too. Yeah, I believe he gets booped. Oh! Oh! You're so fast. Plop. Would you prefer snake? I have your snake toy. What is it? Yes, you like that. I don't know. Can these snake and squirrels be together? Oh, don't hit. Why would you hit me? Oh, be nice. Oh, what are you hitting me for? I think with swaggers, you have to pet him from behind. Watch, I'll show you what I mean. Put something in front. This is how to pet swaggers 101. Put something in front of you, like. Oh, he's wise to me. Might have worked. Usually works. He was on. Good job. Cha-cha. Oh, you ain't done. Get over here, bum. You ain't done. There's one way over here, swagger. Hello. Good morning to you, Mr. Sleepy. Good morning, another swagger night. We all know what that's like. Well, maybe we all don't, but shit, I do. Oh boy, it's never easy. It's never easy sleeping with swagger, that's for damn sure. You're such a crazy person. When he wakes up, what does he do? He eats a rat. Ew. Who would eat a rat? Ew. Yeah, well, no offense. I guess pancakes weren't so appetizing to you, I guess. But you like waffles. That's a funny thing. You like waffles. He's grossed out by pancakes. He loves the smell of waffles. And you're going to try to eat my waffle, which is not allowed because that's not good for you. No, 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 no. On the phone. A question? Yeah, do it to you. Is it playtime? Okay, we need to jump. Hello, sir. Straight. Fuck yeah, I like straight. He took it. Oh, wow. Watch this. Arf! Oh, me. amazing. You got wings. Yeah, fuck yeah, wings are good. Yeah, no teriyaki for you, but they're good. He wags his tail when he eats. Is it good? Oh, I thought you might like that. Oh, man. You right? Here I come. This is my game, actually. Hey, defend your goal. Hey, you. Defend your goal. Ready? Are you ready, Swaggers? Boom! Nice job. No, you don't need it again. Hey, no, goalie, don't leave. Goalie, don't leave. Come back. Goalie comes back. Ready? Save, Swaggers. Save it. Save the ball. Boom! Nice flying save, man. Swagger save the goal. Ready? Swagger save the goal. Boom. Boom! Saved by Swaggers. Watch him do it again. Hey, come here. Look, Swaggers. Look. It's Ronaldo. Swaggers. Hey, not that ball. No, not tennis. Soccer. Come here, Mr. Handsome. Hey, pretty guy. Look. And it's Messi. Swaggers, no, you're not. Wrong game. Wrong game. Look, Messi comes. Swaggers, and he shoots. What do you do? Save it. Save the goal. Save the goal. Boom! Messi, eat your heart out.